Let's add shade to the patio. Nice brown and black color. Get some zip ties and the string to attach it, or the rope. The rings on the top here, there's some overlap for the fabric so that it is double stitched in, and the rings are a little bit farther back from the end so that it doesn't pull, rip, or tear easily. Right, it's all complete and done. I think it turned out really nice. The 12 by 12 size is what I got, and it looks like it fit really nice on the end. I just used the zip ties. I did not use the rope that was included, and I did have to use 2 zip ties for each ring to go around because the poles were kind of thick and long, but there ended up being enough zip ties to go around the whole thing for 2 each. This material will allow some shade, lower the temperature underneath here, and it will still allow a little bit of rain through, but it is going to protect a lot of that rain so it won't penetrate as hard and as much.